Here I have OPPO Reno6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So to do this, you have the pre-installed application on your device, which is called Phone Manager. So you just have to open it, agree and continue, and after that it will automatically check different features of your device which can be optimized. So you just tap optimize and then it automatically boosts your memory, cleans your storage, checks your security protection, optimizes all of these features, and after that your device will work faster for sure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.